Hello all, this is Mustafa from YouTube channel Tech Info. So today I am going to give you some demo regarding Access Server 26 admin course. So this course would be approximately 6 to 8 weeks course, and I will give the brief idea and explanation what this course would contain and what all points will be covered. So I will share you the content with the syllabus details. So this is an online course, so anybody can join from online from home with the WebEx session. This is also interactive session, so anybody can ask questions and we can answer these questions. So I will explain you the course content. Okay, this is the syllabus content. The course is Exchange Server 2016 Administrator. So we will cover all the content where any exchange admin can perform all admin tasks. So first point is understanding of messaging services and Exchange Server 2016. So we will teach you here what is the messaging services and what is the Exchange Server related role and how it gives works, right? So understanding second point is the understanding architecture of Exchange Server. So we'll give the overall what all roles is there, how it role functionality, so the definition, and also we'll try to give the diagrammatical scenario. And third point is Active Directory prerequisite and AD preparation to install Exchange Server 2016. So here we will teach you what all the prerequisites required to install Exchange Server 2016. Like after installation of operating system, so we have to do the prerequisite. Either it is IS service prerequisites or software like supporting software .NET is there, unified communication, and that the different software. So we will teach you here, and also how to prepare the AD. Preparation of AD also we will cover. After that, we'll teach you here installation of the Exchange Server 2016. Once installation complete, we will teach you the how it configuration part as well. And sixth is point is creating the database and perform the local mailbox move from one DB to other DB. So here we will teach you how to create the database, and in database also we'll create the mailbox and how we can move one mailbox to another one mailbox to one database to another database, and configuration of mailbox role and edge transfer. So we'll teach you the configuration of the in the admin portal. Exchange Server 20 mail flow in company with the legacy. Okay, so we will teach you here the mail flow. So and message tracking, all that parameter we will show you how to track the message. And 8 point configuring connectors for the inbound and outbound mail flow. So here we'll teach you the send connectors, what is send connector, receive connectors. So in the admin portal. So we can go through walkthrough session on ECP control panel. So we'll show you all the tabs and details in the ECP Exchange control panel. Creating and retention policy and applying to the mailbox. So we'll teach you here the different types of policy, retention policy, like deletion retention policy or archiving policy. So you can learn here this policies. And point 11th is the different types of the DNS record, which all required, like MX record is there, A record, CNAME record. So that records we'll explain, and we can try to create that record as well. And 12th point, creating mailbox groups and contacts in the ECP portal. So configuring the internal and external URL for the Exchange Server 20. So this is a different virtual directory URLs. So like auto discovery, ECP, OR, these are different internal and external. So we'll show you how you have to configure and define and create the DNS record as well. And installing the 14th point, installing the third party certificate for the Exchange Server 2016. So different like internal certificate and external certificate. So we'll show you the how to create certificate and how to assign the required certificate for Exchange Server. And 15th point, understanding the resiliency of mailbar database availability group, DAG. So DAG database availability, this is the future where it will be utilized for load balancing or resiliency mode. So it's a very important role, this database availability group to in production environment. So we'll teach you how it works and how to create and how to configuration of the database availability group. So 16th point is the last. It is we have to do some practical and troubleshooting steps in the um, test environment, how to resolve the issue and best practices, how to handle the situation whenever any issue occurs. So that all point will be covered. So this is a 6 to 8 weeks course. So online you can anybody can join and learn and try to like improve knowledge, and they can upskill their current whatever position you're working. This is useful for like freshers plus who are already working in IT support. They want to upgrade their skills, or they want to move one level to next level. So it is very helpful. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and also please subscribe my channel to get new training videos.